everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. I'm so excited. Week 14. So that would be September 8th. Right? Yep. It's Raggedy Ann and Andy. It came across on my Etsy, notifications like here's some ideas. And I still have my Raggedy Ann and Andy. They are so fragile that I don't even take them out of the cedar chest. My great uncle gave them to me when I was in the hospital as a child. They're not very big. They're about probably the size of this actually. But I saw this and I had to purchase it. It was $2 for these 9 images. Well, after I got them into Pocket Letter, it's like, what can I do? There's not too much I could do with them. So I decided I added an extra little stamp in each one and some bling. But they're so darn cute. So here we go. I'm just going to share them. You got Andy on a little red chair. They're supposed to look like postcards, by the way. And then you got Raggedy here. And then Raggedy Ann. Something jumping up. And all I did is added each one has a stamp added and some bling. And there we go right there. And there. Sometimes when you do a pocket letter in the image, I usually try to have a background and build up with an image. Well, this time around, I didn't want to take away from the whole image because you can tell this is the whole size of that image. And these, for some reason, printed out lower, so I just kept them and I worked with them. I did use this polka dotted paper in some just to add to it. But I didn't want to lose the image itself. So this pocket letter is mellow for me, actually. So I'm going to share it. Like I said, each one I added some bling and a stamp. Aren't they gorgeous? And then I added some bling going down the side. Well, then, of course, I did the back, Raggedy Ann and Andy, too. These are images I got off Google. And I used different bling. Added some little flowers. I got Andy. And then you got Raggedy Ann and Andy. And Raggedy Ann. And there's Raggedy Andy. And then Raggedy Ann and Andy together reading books. And she's got a puppy. She's just sitting there. He's got a little balloon and she's got a little baby doll. They got a little chicks and a bunny. And then they're on a swing. So that's that one. I said they're so cute. I had to do it. Ta-da! But that is week 14 of hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, PL, capital. There's still fun time to join in. All you do is, like I said before, is do a pocket letter, load it up on Wednesdays after 2 Central Standard Time, and share your creation with us so we all can see it. I want to thank each and every one of you that have been watching these and all that good stuff. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.